హలో ఆల్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు? వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ MaddyAjuu. నేను మీ మాధురి. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు షో ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ హౌ ఐ పెయింటెడ్ దిస్ వాల్. It's a very interesting and my first mural painting, so I was very excited. It was done almost a year ago when Arya was just like 3 months or 4 months, but it took me so long to just edit and post it. So that's how busy or crazy my schedules are some days. But I'll try to keep myself updated from now, and I'll try to post as many videos as possible. So in this video, I'm not going to talk about much about what I have used, which colors I have used, how I did it, because it's about all about calculations. If you have an image in your mind, and if you have a proper use of alignment, I just used a ruler, pencil and a leveler to draw this with freehand. So I did not use any stencil or anything, so it takes about practice to do it. So I'm not here to giving you any tips of how to do it easier, but here are some things I felt very difficult while doing it. So if you are planning to do it, this might be useful. Okay, firstly, my wall is like a popcorn wall, which is like a textured, heavy textured wall. So to paint on that, it was really hard because I can't use a tape. There is a saying that if you use a tape, if you paint with the base coat first, like whatever the wall color, then you can paint on it, so which will give you a crisp line. But I don't have the white shade or white which my wall was using, so I did not want to take the risk of using some other white and entirely changing the look of the wall. So what I did was I just put a tape and painted inside. Because of that, I don't have the crisp corners. But if you see the image of the chess coins, right, it's very crisp because I did it with my free hand. It was really nice. I was at least happy that the shapes came out well. And one more thing to remember is whenever you're doing like a corners or edges, I used a one size or two size brush because zero is very small for these kind of big paintings, right? So I used a one or two size, which was really helpful for me. Apart from that, color. Whenever I use the bigger parts to color, right, I used a broader brush, which saved a lot of time for me. Apart from that, just remember that if a wrong stroke is happened, you should please be prepared to innovatively fix it. I have done it in couple of places. You can see that all when I started, right, you can see like couple of shapes, or for example, the soldier on the right, you can see the two strokes, one is small, one is big, because I had a wrong mistake, I had to make it big. It's not that visible because it's a very big mural, but I'm not I'm very picky, but I try to fix it somewhere or the other. There are some regrets whenever I see it, it reminds me, but overall you should be ready to be prepared. Next coming is please, as I did with the pencil, right, I still have like had pencil marks on the whiter part, like the whiter chess coins. I had pencil marks, so I had to erase it later. So that is one more thing I had to do. Apart from that, all the corners and borders, I have been trying to redo them since 1 year, but I don't feel I don't have time for that. So hopefully one day I will do it. But for now, the overall look, I liked it better. And now I'll be doing a different room in my house with a different color of shade. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please don't forget to ping me on Instagram. I'll be linking that link also in the below. So here is a final look. It took me about 2 to 3 days to draw it, and whereas almost 1 week, I guess you might have seen how many dresses I have changed. So it took me about 1 week to completely paint it. I have to share a funny incident. Ajay was 100% sure that I'm going to ruin that wall and have to paint it all blue eventually. But once it's done, he was so shocked that, oh wow, you are really good at it. So that's a very big compliment for me because he never gives one. Yes, I was really happy how it came out. Hope you liked it. If you are planning to do it anything in the future, it might be helpful for you. Please keep supporting me. I will be posting every Monday and Friday from now. I'll be coming up with a new DIY video soon. Thank you for supporting. Please subscribe.